Thank you, Raghu, for outlining the Purdue University SMIC's value proposition for SESMI members. Next, we'll hear from Professor Nick Barendt about the Case Western Reserve University SMIC.
Hello, I'm excited to be here today to talk about the Smart Manufacturing Innovation Center we'll be building in Cleveland, Ohio with SESMI. Our SMIC will be headquartered at Case Western Reserve University and housed within the Institute for Smart, Secure, and Connected Systems, where I serve as the Executive Director. ISSACS is a university-wide institute focused on the industrial Internet of Things around a few themes. What we think of as core IoT, sensing, edge computing, control, communication, cybersecurity, etc., that are then contextualized within two verticals, smart or future manufacturing and connected health. We also have a strong interest in this broad interdisciplinary space of humans and technology. That is not only the technology, but also looking at, for instance, the ethical, legal, and social implications of the technology. Operationally, we focus on research and education across the campus, as well as national and international industry engagement and community engagement within our region. From an academic standpoint, much of our manufacturing, automation, data science, and materials expertise is housed within 5 departments in the Case School of Engineering: Material Science and Engineering, Mechanical and Aerospace Engineering, Macromolecular Science and Engineering, or Polymers, Electrical, Computer, and Systems Engineering, and Computer and Data Sciences. Relevant campus facilities include Sears ThinkBox, the world's largest makerspace on an academic campus, including not only the 3D printers and laser cutters that you typically find in a makerspace, but also wood shop, metal shop, CNC mills, and water jet cutters, and entrepreneurial and commercialization support services. The Case Metal Processing Laboratory contains furnaces for aluminum, magnesium, iron, and steel, and casting and heat treating facilities. The Advanced Manufacturing and Mechanical Reliability Center contains advanced metal forging and forming equipment, as well as extensive mechanical reliability testing equipment, which is complemented by the Swagelok Center for Surface Analysis of Materials, which contains optical, scanning electron, and atomic force microscopy equipment, as well as several spectroscopic modalities for surface chemical analysis. All these facilities of course require more than the equipment to be helpful. Each is supported with faculty and expert staff. While I have the opportunity to talk about the SMIC today, the SMIC is truly a collaborative effort. The team includes Magnet, our regional MEP, the Smart Manufacturing Cluster of Northeast Ohio, Bennett AI, a for-profit company building contextualized information systems for manufacturing, Advanced Manufacturing International, a nonprofit affiliated with NCDMM, and Cleveland State University and the IoT Collaborative, a regionally focused partnership between Case Western Reserve and Cleveland State University. Critically, all of these partners are also champions for a regional manufacturing initiative called Make It Better. As you'll see, the SMIC is well aligned.
We all want things to be better.
I knew in order for me to give my children what they needed, I needed more money. I needed training, I needed a school, and I needed a job.
I need to have something to have some purpose in my life, make my life fruitful.
The good thing is, here in Northeast Ohio, we are masters of the comeback. We make our own opportunities. Manufacturing is our proud past. It's our bright future. We can make things better because we make the things that run the world. The things that build communities, feed families, save lives. Manufacturing is the engine that drives Northeast Ohio.
Manufacturing is a powerhouse in Cleveland, but we're falling behind on innovation and technology. Transformation is coming fast. We can let it happen to us, or we can choose to lead it.
It's time to forge a new future.
We can't just rebuild. Now's the time to reinvent our industry, to transform the way we work, to really innovate. And if we get this right, we can make things better for everyone.
We can lead the world in smart manufacturing, digital, automated, connected. We can be the capital of manufacturing education. We can invent the future. But this bold vision needs bold action.
We have an opportunity to reimagine manufacturing in a way that makes a real impact on our community and every single individual who lives in it.
Together, we can make things better.
Manufacturing has changed my life.
Manufacturing has changed my life for the better. Because I go to bed with a purpose and I wake up with a passion, for my job in manufacturing.
Together, we can change lives and our region's future. If we do 4 things: train the talent we need, transform with technology, win with innovation, and boldly lead our companies and our industry. If we do all this,
We can make it better.
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 we have a blueprint to lead the world, to create thousands of jobs. We have a powerful team of companies and community leaders.
We're all on the same mission, and I think we could pull it off. I really do.
We just have to do what manufacturing does best: make it better.
We are excited and ready to partner with SESMI and the Cleveland SMIC. It perfectly fits with the blueprint you just learned about. Our SMIC is going to be focused on supporting small and medium-sized manufacturers on their smart manufacturing journey. That journey could take several paths, but our SMIC will focus on outreach, engagement, assessment, and implementation. What does that mean? Our outreach will be organized around quarterly events that our Smart Manufacturing Cluster will organize with not only vendors, but objective SMM-relevant content. In addition to the outreach events, our engagement will include several SMM-relevant manufacturing demonstrators built using SESMI's Smart Manufacturing Innovation Platform, or SMIP. I'll talk about these more in a moment. Assessment will be through a Smart Manufacturing Readiness Survey developed by our Smart Manufacturing Cluster to help SMMs establish their readiness or maturity to begin their smart manufacturing journey and helping them identify where to start. Finally, implementation. Magnet will be working with cohorts of SMMs and directly supporting their smart manufacturing implementations and creating smart manufacturing lighthouses along the way. As I mentioned, we'll be building and operating 2 SMM-relevant demonstrators using the SESMI SMIP. The first will be focused on manual arc welding in partnership with Lincoln Electric, using a Lincoln Electric PowerWave C300 and Arc Tracker real-time monitor. The second will be focused on CNC milling using a Haas mini mill integrated with Advanced Manufacturing International's LIMS system. We're excited to launch the Cleveland SMIC and look forward to doing so in the first quarter of 2022. Please feel free to reach out to me via email if you would like to engage. I also invite you to sign up for our Cleveland SMIC mailing list at this URL, and I invite you to connect. Thank you very much.